Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mayank. So today we are solving a LeetCode problem which is 263 ugly number. So basically in this problem, so first of all, what is ugly number? In this problem's description, LeetCode provides us an ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3 and 5. So basically, once clear, the ugly number is a positive integer, not a negative, and we should find if the number is ugly. So we should return true other than false. So let's see this example. Example one. In this example, input n is equal to 6. So 6 have main two factors, 2 and 3, and they both are its prime factor and no other prime factor are 2 or 3. So basically 6 is ugly number, so it's returns true. And if we input 1, so has also no prime factors, so it will become ugly number, so returns true. And if n is equal to 14, so 14 as prime factor includes 7, so it will not be ugly number, so it's returns false. So let's start the code. So first of all, let's see the constraints, so which is in this condition n is also negative given by the code. So first we clear that n should be positive, because if n negative, so uh, output will automatically become false because number is not ugly. So if n less than or equal to 0, return false. Now for the solving this problem, we will use 3 while loop. First is check for factor is 2 or not, second for 3, and third for 5. Let's see this. While n percentage n modular 2 equal 0, then n is equal to n by 2. It will check if n modular 2 equal 0, then it will becomes n is equal to n divided by 2. And after that, if once we clear that all divisible by 2 is done, then we will check for 3. If n modular 3 equal 0, n is equal to n divided by 3. And same for 5. While n percentage 5 equal 0, n is equal to n divided by 5. Okay. So now if it's ugly number, then we will find finally n is equal to 1, because let's suppose 6. So if first of all n is equal to 6, so n less than or equal to 0, this condition will be false, so we jump here. While n percentage n modular 2 equal 0, so n is equal to 6, n divided by 2 is equal to 3, and modular 2 equals 0, then n will becomes 3, and this condition will become false, so we'll jump here to second while loop. So if now n is equal to 3, so n modular 3 equals 0, it will become true. So and we will get n1, n is equal to 1. So in final, if we will get n is equal to 1, so is that number will be ugly or not, then the number will not be ugly. So return n is equal to 1. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, as you can see, this code is run successfully. Now let's try to submit. Okay, our code is submitted successfully. Okay guys, our problem is solved successfully. See you on next video.